e tlo ba e fanda keng ke DSTV and then ba tlo le fa certificate of which di accredited ba tlo nyekela bana ba lena mmereko a se fly by night ke ntho e jang go government skill se sa computer se tlo jang 3 months ba tlo ba trainer kwa free of charge so di details ka moka ga o di batla ga o dula mo Mindanao o tlo tla go ga Nomcebo on Monday please first come 3 months ya feta and then go kena ba bang njalo njalo so ga batla di details ke gopela gore o tlo tla go ga Nomcebo thank you e re ke fetele pele re na le program ya older person re dila ka ofela leng ke bokoko le bomkhulu bomme wa rona ba freili bomkhulu wa rona ba freili ba dula ko dintlong guys re offera di service re na le di caregiver tsa rena o batla o tlo ngwadisa mme wa gago ba ntate wa gago gore okay ke gopela le tlo fa ka go program a rena e thusa di elderly person kang if ke le tšatši la gago la gore a late medication ko clinic ga sa gone re offera transport di caregiver tsa rena di go mo latela medication if ke le tšatši la gore a bone doctor re a mo tšea ra mo isa tleliniking ra mo emela a bona doctor if ba tšea blood samples ba di tšea ra mo tšea gape ra mo dropa gating ke tego e le gore di services tša rena di tsamaya ka gona free of charge and then o a tlang e le gore ga a sebetse ga Nomcebo guys ga se wa rena ba rena ke ba Nomcebo you are free gore o tle ko officing o tlo botša di-service tša rena gore no go na le motho so le a mo tseba mo ga Nomcebo if re mo tseba yes re tlo botša Nomcebo la di bona di keep di-t-shirt tša rena re na le di-name tag gore o tsebe gore motho a se fly by night le ska dumela batho rena ga re batle dikhate tša bo grant tša bokoko o mojwalo a swa rena a tlo go fitlha re ke gopela gore le mpheng khate ya koko ke swareng ko modrola tšhane no we don't want like that rena re bereka fela ka go tšea koko ro mo hlola re mo khatha manala re mo transporta ya clinicing a boa re tlo mo tropantlong so please ke gopela gore re tlo swarišana re uplift community ya rena youth ya rena Monday please ke gopela go bona line kwa le tlo tla le tlo ngwadiša bana ba tori ya di-free course ke a le gopela so I thank you commander.
Amen. Thank you very much. Over to you, Amanda. Hi, commanders. Dala siyixoxa le. Manje abancane angizwani nawo. Amanda. Commander, lapha emuva Amanda ayephi? Sifuna ukuwezwa lamandla. Amanda. Commanders, igama o remember Junior Shilobane, mostly known as the Commander Flaka. Ngenhlanhla basangibambisile lapha eprovince as unobhala wabantu abasha. Ngithanda ukubonga to the leadership of this ward and each and every member of this sub-region who have been supporting this program. I've noted that this program will be speaking mostly about Abantabash. Hence, there are also teams of football, Sabantabash. Two programs that speak to them to make sure that you facilitate issues of employment. We are happy that I invited people here who deals with issues like that. That training Abakhulumangayo will assist young people. So for the leadership of this ward and each and every member who participated in making this program a success, as young people in this province of Gauteng, we'd like to say thank you. Ngokuzalwa nami ngizalelwa khona kule sub-region kusekhaya. So it gives me a pleasure to be standing in front of you ukuthi sixoxisane and siphinde sibonisane ngoba ningi esikufunda kini ningi engizokufunda kithi. Leaders, kuba buhlungu when you see leaders in this particular sub-region not respecting abantu ababekiwe ukuthi babahole. Nithi as young people sifundeni from that act, because in each and everything that you do you need to think of labantwana abaseza emuva abathi bazoyifunda lento yepolitiki esikuyo. Because people like Uflaka, they are still new, they are still fresh in this thing, and they are ready to learn and run with it. But I feel like in Ginasen is fundisai politically wrong by not doing what is supposed to be done by people whom we think we look up to. We are here as young people to learn ukuthi kusasa, because mina don't even already at the stage where I feel like young people can take over at any time in leading this thing. But indlela enisinikeza yona ukuthi si take over ayikho yinhle futhi, because whatever it is lesiqhubeka nayo, it will be a generational curse to all the young people. Ngoba nathi siyasofundisa laba eza after thina leyo mkhubo omubi of not following into the due protocol of the organization. One thing engafuni kuyisho, I think akumelanga ngisuke la ngayishongo lento. In this organization, when we joined, we did not join any individuals. We joined an organization. Therefore, to me, I'm saying that umuntu ofuna ukuhamba asimiyeke nahambe. This is an organization. You cannot be held at ransom by individuals who think ukuthi this is them. We did not join any individuals, and I believe ukuthi abaningi benu, when they took membership of Umkhonto weSizwe, they were not forced by anyone. So therefore, why is it now that we want to divide this organization because uFlaka Utiena is no longer interested to be a member of Umkhonto weSizwe? We cannot have that as Umkhonto weSizwe, and especially because yenzo abantu abadala, it then gives a bad idea kithi sasebancane. Ukuthi kusho ukuthi makungala umuntu thizeni entweni esibhilivela kuyo thina, we supposed ukuthi nathi singale silandele leyo muntu. We are not people of people here, we are the people of this organization. I want to tell you today that even if the President Jacob Zuma himself can say which is resigning from Umkhonto weSizwe tomorrow, I'll still remain a member of this organization because I did not join President Jacob Zuma. I joined the cause which is Umkhonto weSizwe party. So we supposed to use the politics in this sub-region, especially and deal with issues of young people. I want to tell you, this sub-region, it is not being sabotaged by anyone. By our Zalbe to Esnawo Labulom Court. Sila today in this program. Mang Pega Bazala Batolela, Engazi, Usbana Batuana Bana 13 years to 30 years, Baningabila, but Abatuana Babang Babu. Therefore, Mtanagabani often go recruiter, Ugusa join the Lento Guyo, Ushulega go recruiter, Lo Shala Naezi. Because the first line of recruiting, Ukala line no recruit. Mean I'm telling you, if Bengum Tan, Nizamu recruit Mtana, Bengum Cheusa Salepat. More than Yashule, Google recruiter Labi, Yin Lenga, getting a fool, Nabin Bang in the Guyo, Mufungo Fagabantana Babanya Bazar. So therefore, the moment we start recruiting, I believe Gusgues now, Abantwana by 50, Abantwana is Popument in Zitula, or the rate, if the squads go recruiter, engine Zit. Therefore, it means Commander Zulu still need to go so fundisa, Ugusi maybe a recruiter Ganja, or Square as long as so fund Ugusi recruiter Ganja. More, but the moment to fail to recruit engine, Segmoshagel, again, Kumuntosum recruiter upon. Instead, they'll end up recruiting you to their organizations. Lazy also when they are not doing right for this country. When we were coming here today morning, it was disappointing to see young and old people, Batoito, Bavala, Islani, Batutu, all those things. It's disappointing. And you can blame them, but in some sense, I understand Eastern South. There is nowhere Usu government to Sasana, Malogun Patala, Maria was Golan Labani, SIT, Nasuzan, Zosevens, Alum 7, Melu 7 Zayla, Uba Patalangan, Movala Usaga, Maloba Pata. Those are the issues we should be addressing as the community. See again, Guatina as a members of court to see instead of young apart, so address some issues, Sikapaning away to Pagati. What I've seen, I'm sorry to say this in public because I know we're in a public space. But I see again, Ukapana Pagati, because Pagati I born and let see that. Pagati are born with Tina, way to as a members of court, we don't love each other. So how are they going to get in that train? Because I won't lie to you, this is the last train of a revolution. As was Okshincha, Impilo Mutomyam. But the one mixed chance on Genabule train. There will never be any other trade. bayekeni bawavuleni lamaphathi amancane, but there won't be any other train ezoliberata umuntu omnyama other than umkhonto wesizwe. So asizilungiseni leaders, samele sohlala phansi sike sizibheke umuntu akhahlale phansi. Nesipili ngiyazi nalama drop neyimpilo ekhulu ihlale lapho uzibheke ukuthi mara le mpilo engiyiphiloyo kumkhonto wesizwe yiyo le engiyifunayo na. Ukhuhlala uyi-1 uqoqe nawe uzibone lapha esipilini uziphendule. Hopefully we'll be able to come from that as a change person oze kule organization because angafuni ukubenefita into thizeni, but to pave the way for abantwana bakhe nabantwana bakule community esikuyo. We cannot be suffering. This is a path that is supposed to be saving young people. Mara mawungayibheka it's not maintained. Friends ayisekho. Meaning they don't care. They build at that particular time ngoba babhekile ukuthi bazohuba. Ipolitiki lokhuba ngeke lisise ndawo ma leaders. Let us be united. Let us push i-mandate eyi-1, which is the mandate yomkhonto wesizwe. Mandate yomkhonto wesizwe is simple. It's umuntu phambili. Umuntu omnyama phambili. In whatever you do, think of umakhelwane wakho ukuthi mina mangithatha lesinkwa ngoba ngithi ngisithenga izolo namhlanje ngeke ngisidle ngisifake edustbin. Umakhelwane wami udlile na. That's umkhonto wesizwe for you. Leadership of this ward saw ukuthi there are teams in this ward and they felt ukuthi if we can boost them ngamajezi then lama team might go somewhere. We might be raising staff from these young boys, but we are not seeing that because we are not interested in that. As leaders, we need to make sure that our captains, our coaches of teams in our communities are members of Umkhonto wesizwe, because that's where our vote is. A team and about 25, if we are able to capture that team into being our members of Umkhonto wesizwe, do you think our number vote out 25? Because we already have 25 votes. Bazabuyela nasemakhaya bayoconvince abazali babo ukuthi thina sikulento abathi umkhonto and basenzele into ezikahle. Labo bazali bazonivotela. Thina asikho in front of our community issues. Instead we are in WhatsApp groups sithukana senza zonke lezi, which is wrong. I was not supposed to address something like this today, but with status quo for politics and these intezenzakalayo within the politics of South Africa, it is disappointing, and therefore there is no way we singahlala singayi-address. And nina embuya nani la ekhaya, it is our duties ukuthi simkhuze. We understand ukuthi politiki alilingani alifani. So ngicela ukuthi ipolitiki kumele sigijime ngalo manje kube yilelo mkhonto wesizwe. Simple as that. Asingathi nina mase banithathela ama position bese nifuna ba personal. Whereas manikezwa lama position were not personal. We cannot have that. Commanders, ngase ngizoyikhatha la ngoba ngase sengicela. Commanders, manje sesukule isikhathi sebhola ne. Ngicela ama team angakahambi manje. We are going to have a top 4 tournament. What's going to happen is we are going to have amateam which was odlala 30 minutes. After one, there will be a second team ezodlala 30 minutes. Then you go straight to the final. Each team is a winner. There is a trophy. There is a prize for one. So a winner takes all. Ime kanjani. So, Buffett, this is a fair game. Ngicela singalimazani. Angisho sizele ukuzodlala igame emnandi. Asingaphumi la abanye sebalimele ngoba sibona ukuthi ngathi sekwenzinyana lapha eground. Asidlaleni kahle kuze nakusasa sikhona ukubizana sophinde sidlale kahle. Yangithola. So what I can say is good luck to team ezowina. Sila sonke sizobukela. Ngekho zophuma sorojiwe so lesikhona naso referee somkhuza mangayenzi zona. So good luck to all the teams. I think because of his cards, I send it straight to a ground in it, and then so one will see Sota Ganjan, Mafigala, but the first 2 teams as well, and then we'll be able to toss the other ones. Amanda! Okay, too, no, Tongane, that's what I got with Cloudy, Guspos Fire,
all the channels of industry bafethu ngikhona nami ngiyatholakala ngiyi artist la South Africa jala ngikhona emculweni bafethu ngizama ngene itulo emva komkhukhu emazenkeni sinyakazisa lento eDavidton la bathi awufuna ukungibona khona ngishintsha from sweet bese ngibesawa still deliver hot shit sithi from Newcastle edani nongoma kupiti zangoma ngahleka amathambo kutholakala lengoma hey ama-concrete jungle amabhilide ehlathini bathi ingqondo kwamele isebenze njenge-okapa ephuma ejazini ngoba inhloko isesaphondi kumseyini khulwane lafana nebheki nathela imvelaphi yakho namasiko ukhombisa ubuciko ungalahlwa emhlaba neminingi ungagobeki ulule kufane nocingo
bafethu lokhulumayo usanela kwabiyela ngibuyele phansi bahlabisana ngiqhamuka khona igama engisebenza ngalo lana emculweni umshini bafethu siyabonga bafethu ukuthi nize umlingo lapho sacela ukusebenza kuqala bese songivalelisa sebenza hlabisa
Alright, asingibuliseni umphakathi wase-96 la eDavidton eBenoni okhulumayo uPastor Andile Manki. Siyabulela kakhulu ngeprogram yethu njengoba nibona ugcwele sine-members obuningi bale sub-region ne-region yala namhlanje. Into esifuna ukuthi siyiphakamiseke sikumkhonto wesizwe sicela ukuthi i-community yala ingathi ingazi ukuthi kukhuluma abantu abangalambanga esiswini, abantu abafuna ukuphakamisa iy'nkonzo zokuhlala la ekuhlaleni endawo yase-96. Ngifuna ukuthi-ke zininzi izinto esingazibala la e-96, the infrastructure, ama-switch ayavuza, ama-potholes, iy'ndlela, i-crime ku-west la emalangeni. Ngike ngaya nase-police station, I found out ukuthi iy'moto zala e-police station azisebenzi, zifile, our government ayikwazi ukuzilungisa. So singumkhonto wesizwe besisithi-ke masingake sihlanganeni kule ward le yase-96 siphakamiseni i-96 singakwazi ukuthi sifikeleleni amanyathelo oya ku-government, hhayi i-corruption, ukuya ku-government. Sicela ukuthi uhulumende angasebenzisana nathi sikwazi ukuthi siphakamise zonke iy'nkonzo zale ndawo yase-96 ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi-ke laba basiphethe manje laba baphambile manje into bayibhekile babheke izisu zabo ababhekanga ukuphakamisa kunamhlanje nje sikule ndawo sikuyo sihlanganise yonke youth ngoba kuyinyanga ye youth seza nayo kule ndawo sayitholela amakhiti sayitholela ama-trophy senza into engenza ukuthi babe ne-engagement bazophuma ezintweni zama-drugs i-government yethu is failing us our government is failing us to legalize or kubonakala ngathi ba-legalize the foreigners to sell the drugs ebantwaneni bethu kule ndawo kubuhlungu kona asazi singenza njani the employment ayikho nje akunakusebenzeka bagcwele yonke indawo kuyimesi nje ngifuna ukuthi-ke Ward 96 namhlanje we are here Phakamani siya-understand ukuthi bayasihola be-GNU but now for the change awukuthi noba ulapho mntakababa kuleyo kuyo but nanku 2026 ukuyekele konke ukuvotele nje umkhonto wesizwe ubone ukuthi ngeke uyitholela i-change kulaba abangalambile kulaba abangana-corruption ngifuna ukuthi from now today asibambisaneni siphakamise indawo yethu yase-Ward 96 eMayfield eDaveyton eBenoni. I thank you.
I'm here to introduce members of parliament. Abantu abasikhulumelayo eParliament in terms of what needs to happen in the entire South Africa. Ngizo-introduce Honorable Carol Makafane, known as Commander Kusheshe. And Amandla, Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza, Kwaza Mkhonto Kwaza, Pata Nyamalala Pata, Pata Nyamalala Pata, forward with East Sub-Region forward, forward with 96 forward. Nyabonga, thank you very much. Thank you, coordinator. Thank you, coordinator. Ward 96. Yes, Sub-Region. Daveyton is my home. I'm not a visitor. Namhlanje ngithi. Ngiyangaza ngithi. Ngihlezi la eDaveyton supporting you. And nani for supporting us. Comrades, ngifuna ukukhuluma uthulifela ukhulume into important that's coming with local government elections. And I want to say that local government elections, they are won a branching. Local government elections are winner a bidding. So, njengoba niyenze this event here at this VD, we are expecting ukuthi nihambe wonke ama-VD niyoyenza ama-event kuma-VD wenu ngoba i-local government ayiwinwa i-sub-region, iwinwa i-branch. So each and every branch must go back to the VD. As a leader of a branch, you should be knowing how many voters you have at this VD. And as an activist of MK, you should be knowing ukuthi kule strata lesi kunabantu abangakhi aba young people, and then kunabantu abangakhi abadala, kunabantu abangakhi aba-disabled, kuna how many women and how many children. That's how you win local government. You go back to the community, because it's not for us to send people to parliament or wherever. We are winning activists in the wards. So that activist in the ward, umuntu owazi community, abantu aba together ne community, makuthi thwa ngapha uyazi ukuthi kaMloyi ngapha kuna something. You have to go to each and every house and introduce yourself. Uthi mina nguKhero wakaMkhonto. Kungabi a house la bangazi ukuthi wena uMkhonto. Emsuku you are moonlighting as something else. Emini you are moonlighting as something else. And then must go my elections, but we cannot vote for this person. You have to uphold it discipline MK. That the community knows you would say, so that's how we are going to win local government. We have to go to the VD, each and everyone who VD, know your people, know your community. Be the vanguard of the community. My vanguard means each and everything. Mabathi kunenkinga municipality, you are the first one to go there. Mabathi kunenkinga kuphi, you are the first one to go there. That's how we win local government, because you have to win the trust of the community. Leyo ukuthi hayi namhlanje sizoba siku Ward 86, sasa sizoba siku Ward 95. Siyahamba ama motorcade. Those are not going to win elections. What is going to win elections is for us to be in our branches. Liyangizwa ngithi comrades, to be in our branches, we are under attack as it is as MK. We have to go and clarify abantu bethu. Akunamkhonto ozotiregister. Akunamkhonto ofayo la. Umkhonto ufa ku Twitter, angithi ama celebrity wase Twitter. And anyway, why are you worried? Because before elections, lawo ma celebrity bezo Twitter bebathi sizothola 2%. Bebathi sizothola 2%. Akuna flow eto president MK. Just by the way, that time si votela MK sigijima like grounding. Besigijima naye so. Aku EFF as a deputy president. He was like this Nazi. But because we never wanted him as our president, otherwise ngabe si votela EFF. Because he was a deputy president, we voted Umsholozi in MK. Akhona, comrades. By the way, ne vote yakhe ingale. So we are not bothered. We are here on the ground as MK. Asibayeke lawo bayo celebrity lapha ku Twitter kuphi bahlanganise. When they come here, they're going to find a solid MK. Amanda, Kwaza Mkoto Kwaza.
Sizwe Phakama. Phakama Youth League Phakama. Phakama Student Movement Phakama. Phakama Women's League Phakama. Leaders of the movement sanibonani nonke. Ngizos introduce kabusha futhi for a reason nakhona futhi. Igama lami nguThulani Pepe Crosby Vusi Shongwe. Ngizalwa la district eDaveyton. Emkhontweni, I'm a former chief of staff to the office of President Zuma. I'm a former DSG, which is Deputy Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe. I'm currently a member of Parliament. Now, the reason I'm stating those three facts, intelula kakhulu. iDaveyton inenhlanhla kakhulu ukuthi Umkhonto wakhipha the first chief of staff of Umkhonto weSizwe, which is me standing in phambi. Now that is the trust of Ubaba Zuma anayo kini ordinary people. Muntu ongaziwa ongadumanga. President Zuma takes the trust leyo ukuthi Shongwe uzohlala phambi kwami usebenze nami every day ungadumile for a purpose. Now ama comrades atatazela kakhulu athukiwe athi uzophuma ka Floyd enhlanganweni. Let me take you into this confidence, comrades. Ngitshela into engayibuzwanga. Sonke saqala umkhonto nobaba sisesekhona. Uthi president makaqala ukukhuluma. The first event we had emkhonto. Abantu abazongena ehlalweni. Khona bazongena benze kahle sibakhiphe. Bengenzanga lutho. Khona bazongena bamoshe sibakhiphe sibathethise sibashaye sibafake kwenye indawo, which is redeployment. Uthi president Youth League makakhulu stadium, there were 7 SGs akhishiwe ehlalweni. Ungibala lapho nami nongakhanta ngunumber 7 ngilapho nami. But now ukumehluko comrades. Azange sithi thina nabo atazwane uma siphuma nabo maseko masiphuma sayothi hands off Thulani Shongwe. Asike sikhuluma ipolitiki. Once you start saying hands off, we know exactly ukuthi kwenziwa. Icomrade lavumela ukuthi kubhalwe iposter ngalo. Ithi hands off. We definitely know ukuthi as a comrade ongafuna ukuphakamisa igama lakho, ongafuna ukwakha inhlangano ngegama lakho, uzovele ebantwini uthi le comrade hayi egameni lami. Andikhali ngokuphuma kwami because It was a mandate given by the president ukuthi sizohlala esitulweni sizokhishwa akekho umuntu owona isitulo. Now uma ungena emkhontweni uthunyiwe ukuthi uzohlakaza uzowubhidliza uzothi ungene eholweni ufuna ukushayela izandla. Samba so comrades. Because ufuna ukuphakamisa igama lakho ukuthi kusasa uzolisebenzisa ukwenza lento ofuna ukuyenza. Now we all know ukuthi ucomrade wethu lapha ya former SG uhamba wayekhuluma izinto wabala nezinto zeimali. Now ask yourself, ube i-national organizer wayibona ke leyo ntathu uyibonile, waba ku-SG wayibona le ntathu uyibonile, wakhishwa esihlaleni wakhane ekhuluma ngayo. Wayikhuluma ngayo mase uphumile esihlalweni. Bowuthulekeni uphakathi ungavuli icase if lento iqiniso. Comrade ngicala lapho ukukhuluma because ngifuna na understand one thing. Thina sishaya uvalo lokuhamba kweComrade edumile. I'm the first person ukuhamba noKhumalo uJabulani uKhumalo niyamkhumbula. Angihamba naye every day wayegitshezwa yimi edliswa yimi elaliswa yimi enganayo ngisho isenti. Waqala ukuthola imali ehamba nami wajikela angasafuna ukuhamba ngisho ngeimoto zami. Esebona ukuthi manje useUpresident ngempela because mawuphethwe uZuma mawufike ebantwini uthi amandla abantu bayaphakamisa. Mawubizwa i-event somewhere uthi asiyohlangana le-Durban Stadium Stadium bazogcwala abantu zonke babize ngegama lakaMsholozi ngo-MK babize ngegama lakho babize ngelakho igama sibona bazogcwala. So we can't be comrade sithukwe. The reason people voted for Umkhonto weSizwe is because of izenzo zikaNxamalala esesewupresident. That's the only reason. Sonke sajoyina Umkhonto ungabhalwanga ngisho ama-policies unganayo ngisho i-constitution evele publicly. Sawujoyina singazi ukuthi Umkhonto uzimisela ukwenzani. Sujoyiniswe yizenzo zikaPresident Zuma za before. We knew ukuthi khona abantu abazothunywa ukuthi bazobhidliza Umkhonto. Ukuthi kanjani asazi. That's why Umkhonto wacampaigna ecourt every day until ekugcineni. Niyakhumbula lokho ngithi. Ngifuna ukulikhumbuza okubaluleke kakhulu. Kukhona igama elithi recession niyakhumbula. Niyakhumbula le gama elithi junk status. Zazikhona ngesikhathi kaJacob Zuma. Esesewupresident. Niyakhumbula. Kuza kanjani manje? La sine unemployment ye-62% but we never go ku recession. Ama-rating agents. Asikhumbuzaneni comrades. Ngenkathi uPresident Zuma we went saze satshelwa ukuthi siya ku-recession. Asikaze uPresident Ramaphosa saya ku-recession. Asikaze sathreatenishwa nge-recession. Kanjani unemployment ingaka? Comrade, ngomkhonto weSizwe sasingafuna ku-Twitter. Kodwa ku-TikTok awusasigijima isimanga. Labafethu be-TikTok ngifuna ukukhohlisa nama-cameraman. I'm the first cameraman noBaba uReverend uMoyo niyabakhumbula. Sithatha wonke umuntu iy'thombe sifaka lapha emaphejini. That's why ukuthola iy'thombe zami emkhontweni. Sasibhiya desini senza umsebenzi. So comrade, into ezokwenza ukuthi uthukwe mathiwa uFloyd uvula inhlangano yile. Ukuthi uze emkhontweni ngoba uyazi awusebenzi, shemngeshwa ekhaya kulabhekile, uyalibona ithuba lokuthola iposition ukuze usebenze. If that's your reason, definitely uzotatazela amakhambi uFloyd. But if the mandate yileya kaNxamalala no Oliver Tambo, no Walter Sisulu, no Nelson Mandela emuva, yokuthi umuntu omnyama must be liberated, uzohlala emkhontweni. Comrade ngicela ukunicela, it's a very simple thing. Yekelani indaba zokuthi thina le phezulu siyalwa. Yekelani ukuthi nibakathulani nina nibakaDudu nibakaMary Phali nibakaKhwebani nibakabani. Siyekeni isilwe. Siyekeni esethi inkundla ngithi. Siyekeni isilwe thina. Ukuthi into eningi inyawupe. Kodwa siyayazi imize etheni isinyawupe akuboshwa umuntu. Siyathanda comrade. Siyekeni ngama-position. Woza uzokhuluma ngama-position mawufuna i-position. But I can assure you ngeke ulaste. Ziyabuya lapha ya. Amandla. Comrade. Sikhulisa le ngane lezi. kumele sifundise ipolitiki lokungagijimisa isikhundla but sifundise ipolitiki lokuthi kubaluleke ngani ukuba khona komkhonto. As long as umkhonto usesekhona, i-ANC will perform njengoba seyiqala ukuperforma manje. Everybody useyayisebenzela manje. The time kukhona i-DA as an opposition, kukhona i-EFF as an opposition, i-ANC was relaxed, benganandaba. Ningakhohlwa lokho. Ima manje bazoreport into, uthi uyareport abayi-attend. Ngoba sekhona umkhonto ekwaziwayo ukuthi ukuze ungayi-attend lento, uze ungayi-attend, umkhonto uzoyi-attend. Angazoba siyazwana comrade. Lo umkhonto yilo ungamala sithengiwe. Hey usho umbona nje usho ngangayiceli imali enhlangane namba ayihambela ngemali yakho unemali eningi uthathe ku Didi Mabuza uthathe lekhadi ithatha le mali bokuphi wena ngoba if ubonile benginawe sana selana comrade ukhona abantu abasuka bayofika kunqamalala bathi hey aboshonge bafuna izikhundla zonke no udidekile baba we are very close kubaba very close para sifune izikhundla sifuna umkhonto uphumelele ebantwini. So I'm going to ask you emntwini ongelutho kodwa emntwini one-purpose. Ngicela siyoba ne-purpose yokuthi siyo-liberate abantu. Nikhohlwe nje isiZulu ngoFloyd. Angalinga kuthusa uFloyd. uFloyd uzoqala manje ukuthi afune ukuthi aphakamise ubuso bakhe akhulume izinto. Wayekhona ku-EFF Congress, wayekhona. Bekane budget enkulu yakhumbula bagcwalisa stadium. Kwasiza ngani lokho? Into esize emkhonto wena kusasa umkhonto mawubiza event ubiza meeting hambo attend wena hamba everyday lakho namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi wonke umuntu wase Daveyton mangibuya la sibuya le event bapho flag uphi flag iphi discipline yakho uphi flag yala ekhaya eyohlola iDaveyton sizoyinika igama thatha imali eParliament sihambe ngayo la elokushini solungisa ilokushi lethu. Ngifuna ukuthi every comrade emphethe Daveyton, any member of the cabinet la yabo comrade ngifuna ukuthi into engayazi khona abantu ababhale ngegama la mina kubhalwa ngami ngeke ungazi ukuthi ngubani emkhontweni kodwa sebayisusile ke manje sebabhale ngathi bathinta inyoka zikaZuma ke manje leze wakuthiwa unazo sekuyophakama zona. Ngifuna ukuthi la eDaveyton noma ungaba negama elingakanani ungalimi uze la emkhontweni la eDaveyton uzothi comrade asiyeli ka left. Sizofuna ukuthi usibize sonke ehlale nawo phansi siza ukuthi wena nemali yakho lesizela nayo la eDaveyton ufuna senzeni yini ofuna ukuyi-achieve wena sisonke comrade. Ngiyacela comrade ningadideki nakancane. Ubaba Khumalo bekasecourt manje uhambe ekhuluma kuJabulani Khumalo athi uwine igama lomkhonto back. Ngifuna ukunichazisela sake sasala su4 ku-national kuyimi ubaba Zuma as the president u-Atazwane as a secretary ku-deputy secretary esikhathi leso ku-chief of staff ubaba uBagobane beka-uTijini yakhumbula ngithi kwakune-mandate eyathunywa thina ukuthi umkhonto is going to have a business wing esayidini. Thina sithola ababunqamalala sebahleli bakhulumile basitshela basibrief ukuthi umkhonto uzosebenza exactly njenge-political party yaseChina. Sizoba allowed ukuthi si-contest i-business ukuze umkhonto ungazothengwa abantu. Niyang-understand? Wahamba uBaba Khumalo engakaqedelela ukuthunywa wathumeka wayithuma bayovula i-business SCIP iCipro bavula i-business under umkhonto wesizwe. So njengoba bari-instate lapho cha akawinanga igama lomkhonto. There were two registrations. There was umkhonto wesizwe party o-registered o-owner uBaba uZuma usese-intact usesenjalo. Niyang-understand? Leyo uJabulani ayiphethe into yokwenza amathenda angithi vele bekawathanda vele uthanda imali into ayithandayo imali leyo akaqhubeka ayithanda imali asimbangisi futhi into esiyidingayo ukuthi umuntu omnyama athole umsebenzi. Kanjani uthola kanje umuntu omnyama nama-project avalelwe kuruleni kumele athathwe yini nini eningadumanga nini engekho famous eninama-CK thatha i-project yokwenza isikontiri uqasha abantu bala eDaveyton asikaze sanithelela ipetroli kubalulekile enikwenzayo bafethu to create an event uthatha isibindi bazohleka bathi bekugcwele bekungagcwelanga sinandaba thina sinalento esithi meet and greet niyayikhumbula yiyo le sohlala kamnandi siphuze iphuzo zethu singalwi namuntu sithandane amandla qinisela mntomnyama kuyalunga qinisela Zuma kuyalunga qinisela uyahlangana umntomnyama uyahlangana amandla awethu baza mkoto baza. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
zanga ngo-Floyd asizanga ngobani la bekungana Floyd masiya kuma-elections. So let it not be umkhonto ube ngathi uFloyd. No, uFloyd is the commander siyamasetha angangene kumkhonto mara hayi ukuthi uzoyenza ama-factions la. No, that cannot be accepted. Commander Morning, Commander la sikumkhonto thina for the total liberation of South Africa. Total liberation. Not la masimba enzakalayo la.
Chikitela, what's it? Una 96 so 96 man. Una 96 man pendula. Uba 69. Una 96 man pendula uba 69. Ama 69. Each and every year in the court. Says I make sure ukuthi set serious in the court. Let's practice. Let's practice for the event ukuthi anything eyenzakala esiwile. Practice it. Practice it as your case. That's why ama-outer winning, abo-cherry ba-winning. Kukhomba lesitshe. Ama-awards wathathayo manje sonikeza uChef lama-awards lawo wathathayo. No Commander Arafat, ama-awards lawa ayaku.
We are the MK Party Award 96 Ekurhuleni East. The program yanamhlanje besiyenzile together with other comrades, and we met the power with this with organization leadership, the regional and the sub-regional leadership. So we managed to compile all the basic fundamental things as Africa umphakathi. The factors that were upon the program was to take abantwana 8 and shop and introduce the AMA games with top 4, which is teams will play AMA games, and then the winner will be able to have something, they will go home and embrace it, which is a trophy. Sibonga i-support futhi esithole kuma wonke ama-ward ase-East and Greater Benoni. Sibonga everything ukuthi comrades, ama-donation from Kanamqebo projects, sibonga everything ukuthi nama-leadership wema projects abalethile kithi, and the visibility and unity le MK esipha yona. La ku-MK part we saw ukuthi it is fit ukuthi sambela ama-stakeholders are local within our ward, and then ama-business people ewardini lethu to match the community activists, whereby if there is a family or program that they need service deliveries, we are there. Masibheka ama-programs wama-NPOs and the political parties, when we match power, I know what we to kuzoba service delivery. But doing things alone as a certain political party or a certain organization, it won't assist anything. We need to create the masses that will work towards our branches and to work towards service delivery in our communities. Let alone what is happening to our political parties. But there are some sees we stand firm. We are going to engage our parties, our left and right, to become a one team united in order to deliver the mandate of the communities and service delivery. I submit.